Interesting. So I was wondering whether we could talk about our project, and basically you said might be interested in joining our team as advisor because you have impressive background in this space, and I've seen that you also been part of different ICO projects on ICO Bench. So I can just tell you briefly more about myself. So I've been in the crypto space since 2016. I've been involved in different projects. I took different roles, for example, as a blockchain analyst in a IT company and startup. Also, I've been working for one of the exchanges as a business development manager. I have different experience, and pretty much I'm familiar with the crypto space and the specifics. So for the past 7 months, I have been working with my team on a new blockchain project, which is called Ispooling. So basically, our project is tailored to address most of the challenges that businesses are facing when it comes to talent acquisition. We are building a full cycle platform which helps companies to source candidates and track them, to do interviews, to appoint assessments and everything that they need to do in our platform, so they be able to do the recruitment in-house. We are targeting the blockchain and IT industry because there is high demand for such roles, but at the same time there is a shortage of skilled professionals, and it's really time consuming and expensive to hire a developer. For example, we did extensive research and it turned out that about $25,000 are the costs associated with interviewing, hiring, and onboarding blockchain developer. We are using also what differentiates. We are using artificial intelligence in order to suggest candidates to the company. So basically, the algorithm, the machine learning algorithm, will appoint them the right persons for their specific vacancies, because the job description and the requirements like experience, technical skills, soft skills will be analyzed, and they will be able to communicate directly with them. And another unique feature is the utilization of blockchain payment system. So we will be the first platform to integrate a payment system with native cryptocurrency token, which will allow users to instantly pay for different services on our platform, to exchange value, and to ensure high scalability and security of payments.
Okay, Emmanuel, just give me a second of the minute.
Okay.
Where are you based? Because you are not native English speaker, I'm sorry. Where are you from?
We're from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria,
Bulgaria, yeah. But we do have members from around the globe, international team from Germany, from, let's say, from China. We are a distributed team, and we have been working on the platform, and we are actively progressing with the development. But
I said, do you a little bit understand Russian or not?
Slightly, but yeah, slightly, kind of.
Okay, I see, because it's Slavonic language as well. That's why I'm talking about that.
Yeah. So what would be the topic of the call?
The topic of the call, just create it now if you can. It will be great. How do you see the topic, not of the call, the topic of the event? Because
okay, the event.
It will be great. It's not going to be the company's name, or it is going to be some kind of good theme or good conversation with the people around.
Okay. So, okay, I think I can join that event, but I'm just to know, can you tell me if you are able to help us out with our project, because we are looking for partners that can help us out, reach out to investors, and also it would be great to have experienced person like you on our team.
Okay, no problem. Just share with me a little bit more information. I want to know what kind of competencies do you need, and we have to find the right fit to matching my competencies, my willings to the company which you're looking for. It will be
Okay.
great. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So in general, at this stage, we are working with one of the blockchain projects in terms of technology, and currently we are looking for people who can help us to reach out to investors, because we will be holding a token sale, private token sale soon. So if you are able to help us with this, it will be really great.
Okay, Emmanuel, just give me one more question. Do you have any kind of budget for marketing or for finding the people or for networking? Do you have it or not?
Okay, so at this stage, we are actually looking for the first contributions. We are also speaking with several investors, but right now our budget is limited. So basically at this point, we can like offer you some tokens of ours. And if you help us to get investors on board through you, we can give you commission from their investment. But later on, we can agree also on a fixed payment.
Okay, perfect. Your tokens is already issued or not?
Yes, it's issued. It's on the blockchain. It's confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain. It's it's ready, and we are preparing. We are having like 2 weeks to prepare for our private.
Perfect. What I need? I need your website. I need pitch deck, and I need the information about your company from the inside. Give me business model. Give me information. What do you offer for the people? Which are maybe I can't say that people ready to invest in you personal, because it's not so simple way. We have to understand who you are, what the company.
Of course, absolutely.
Yes, have to be a little bot information, but for the beginning, we can organize the first step. We can connect you, and for the and somehow trying to make that deal happen.
Okay.